Earlier this year, we had 440 solar panels installed on the roof of our school. For a one-school district that was built in 1876, this is going to take us well into the future, and it's for the betterment of the community and the students at this school. With the installation of our solar panels, we were able to bring in some learning opportunities for our students. It was a natural fit for some of the things that we want to do concerning renewable energy. So this is going to be awesome, and I really appreciate the projects that you put together to help these other teachers and younger students understand the complexities of a solar panel. It's providing real-life situation data for teachers and students to use across the school year.
We have a whole video that is targeted for younger audiences with easier vocabulary and terms to understand and pictures for visual learners.
The first thing I wanted to do was to introduce it to my students, but have them create a project to share what they learn about solar energy.
Our project is really just a simple diagram of how a solar panel works. So the sun here is shown and it's producing photons, which is basically little cells of light.
This was an opportunity for them to take learning into their own hands, be creative, and they did an outstanding job.